Are you being fooled by fake hematite? Discover the difference between real hematite and fake Hemalyke. Hemalyke, also known as Hematine, is a man-made stone. It is overly polished, overly shiny, overly perfect, sometimes even sold magnetic. And real hematite is not magnetic. It is a weighty stone which has a silvery metallic color, and it is full of divots, veins, inclusions, and colorful patches. Now, there's nothing wrong with Hematine. In fact, we sell these Hematine rings as satin crystals. They make great crystal egg and sphere stands. The difference is that we state outright that these are Hematine and not hematite, so that you're aware of what you're getting. Now, if you want hematite, the real hematite, if you want to feel the crystal healing powers, if you're doing crystal healing, or if you're a rock collector and you want the real thing, then my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm going to show you the 3 most popular real hematite crystals at Satin Crystals.
Hematite Sphere. You are amazed at the protective powers of hematite, and you want a sphere that is all natural. Skip the glossy imposter and take hold of this hematite orb that wears its birthday suit with pride. Lines, divots, and pockets of red ochre bring you untampered protective forces. You want hematite that's real, and this crystal ball delivers. Hematite Egg. This hematite egg is the real deal. Embark on new journeys with the safety and protection of a genuine hematite crystal by your side. This ruggedly handsome egg is full of natural powers thanks to its authentic nature. Feel the real. Hematite Tumbled Stones. Are you looking to grid your space with real hematite? These natural hematite stones are tumbled for your healing pleasure. Smooth and solid, this set of weighty stones are ready for chakra layouts, protection rituals, and grounding energy.
Find these and a whole collection of hematite stones at Satin Crystals. While you're there, join the VIP club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading the light into the world.